So over here, you can see that I have two layers. So I have one empty layer and I have this original layer with the photo. So let's say what I want to do is I want to copy out the selection from this layer and paste it onto this layer. In that case, I can simply go around and onto this layer right here and then make a selection. Once I do that, I'm going to press Ctrl C and then I'm simply going to go around onto this layer right here. So once I do that, let me just go around and press Ctrl V over here. Once you do that, what happens is that there you go, there's the selection over here on the top. And if I were to go around and click something else, so let's just go around over here and then deselect it, and you can see that the layer selected layer is on the top layer. So that is what you can do. So you select out, you copy out the layer from one layer, and then you select out the other layer, and then you have another layer right here which is permanent and the selection is there. So now you can see that you can move this around right here, and without having the selection, you have the content on another layer just like this. So that is how you can paste out selection in another existing layer inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.